Oh, what? You see a squirrel? God dang.
At him.
The idiot ended up in the back seat. Yo, I'm surprised I haven't done this part. This is a really main section right here.
Yeah, and it's very slick. The cars kind of go all over the place. I don't know how I'm going to get to the dollar store. I think we'll have to get it on the way back.
Yeah.
I don't think we can make this lane.
Well, no shit. It's yellow, and you're way back here. You ain't gonna
Shut
make
up,
it.
chicaner. When I said it, it was green.
Alright, is that slick up
Like
there?
I could have made it. Because it's all dried up on that side.
Freaking course.
Look out! We have snowplow.
Oh shit.
Sweet.
Scratch my
Throwing
truck.
sparks.
Damn. No wonder we have a road issue. Fuckers like that. These new ones have like a rubber on the bottom of them.
They do.
That's the metal is inside
Yeah.
of.
Make a
Oh
lot
shit,
more
we
sense.
spinning.
Yeah, it's no big deal.
That side looks great.
Yep. Hey, Cobell. Cobell needs to get out and go take another giant shit.
I bet he does. Bridge. Now, I'm still a little bit pissed off I don't have my bar light. I knew I should have bought it before shit started happening. But now it's gonna be a week late, you know.